Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to turn yourself into Circus Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's. Be sure to like and subscribe to see all the looks coming up next. Today we're starting with a bodysuit and only painting from the neck up. I'll throw in some My IBB contacts, and with a powdered base, I'll be using the Graftobian Clown White Cream for an even white coverage. As usual, all materials are listed below. Avoid your brows as this will fully coat them. Once happy with the coverage, I'm sealing with the Ben Nye Super White Powder, dusting all over, and pressing in and then dusting again to remove the excess. This gives a perfectly smooth base to blend on. Remove from the lips if you were messy like me. For the cheek circles, you can twist a cap for an outline so that they are the same size and fill in with a pink shadow. Next, blend the outer edge with a darker pink. Tap some of the white cream in the centers and powder to seal. Use the white cream to make curved highlight lines. Add the darker pink in a lower, smaller circle, and darken the bottom curve the most, leaving a thin, lighter edge. Next, I'm filling in the brows with a light blue shadow. Add pink shadow in a nose tip circle. Blur out the edges. Sculpt the sides of the nose in a peach shadow up into the brows. Add along the lower lids of your eyes. Add along the top of your nostrils for detail and underneath. Tap a white cream center on the nose and add a white curved line highlight. Define the lower circle edge in a thin gray line. Do the same for the cheeks. Extend your mouth corners. Next, line your lips in a red liner. Fill in fully, rounding the Cupid's bow. Tap all over with a pink shadow. Tap white cream for a highlight in the lower center and the top lip edge. Blur out the edges with the peach shadow. Use the dark pink in the innermost parts. Then get distracted and teary-eyed by a Penny Dreadful scene. Use the gray to draw a line in your lip and mess up your chin. Then 2 lines above, making a Y shape. White highlight the centers. Cover your eyelids in a teal shadow. Blend into the crease. Carry out into a cat's eye shape with a sharp edge. Draw a black liner along the entire lid. Extend out into a thick, straight cat's eye. Draw a thin higher lid crease connecting at the outer liner point about 2/3 in. Draw a thin lower line spaced below your lashes. Next, draw 3 dramatic curved lashes on the outer half of your lower lids. Add a dramatic pointed upper lash. Cut into 3 lash clusters for your lower outer lashes. Use a black body paint to create a liner line down your chin with a fine brush. Add from the nose circle. Outline the nose circle. Next, split the forehead as well all the way down to the nose circle edge. Connect the inner corners of your eyes. Slightly thicken the line. Create an upside down triangle. Round out the white corners. Do the same at the top of the nose. Also round the corners between the eyes. Draw a curved line from your points to your temples. Add a straight line from your eye outer corners. Do a fine curved line to your cheeks and along the bottom curve of the circles. Carry very fine along your top lip. Paint your neck in a light gray. Darken as needed with a little bit of black. My suit print was uneven in the front, so I darkened the center just a bit. I didn't know exactly where I wanted everything to go on my neck, so I outlined to decide. Since these lines are temporary, they don't need to be super clean at all. I always mirror as I go to keep it even more easily. It's more important that what you do on one side, you do on the other. The rest is just making it up until you like the idea. Now that I know where I'll have everything, I'll fill in the middle parts with a silver cream base. To help match later, I blended some of the silver cream into the blues of the suit. Next, I sealed the silver with a glitter-flecked, blue-leaning metallic eyeshadow to bring the colors together more with the suit. And I'm distracted yet again by Penny Dreadful with Josh Hartnett and Ava Green. Highly recommend. Next, I fill in the negative spaces with black and clean up the outlines of everything. I then added little curved lines all down the 2 middle sections. Think hosing. Next, I take a Q-tip and black paint to add holes and lines for visuals and to help make them even. The Graftobian silver cream coverage makes things super easy to clean up. Add a wig and a red top and this look is done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know you always have a massive selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so very grateful every time you take a moment to watch one of my videos. I'll see you next time.